different feeling for me altogether today to be present here, to stand in front of all of you great eminent people to address. Some years back, I was one of the participants. I would have been, if I was there, I would have been moving about, helping out. But it's a different role altogether. Anyway, I am deeply honored to be with you on this special day as we celebrate All Catholic Education Institution Day. I thank you for inviting, and more importantly, for the silent but powerful work you all do every day in shaping the minds, hearts, and future of our children. The theme chosen for today, Educating for Hope and Transformation, is both timely and prophetic. If you all may agree with me in this, but the only one thing which is the worst thing to lose in life is hope. You may lose your money, you may lose your health, you may lose your relationship, you may lose your business, you may lose your fame and reputation. It happens. But you can build all that again from the scratch. You may lose all of these, no worries. The important thing is not to lose hope, because once hope is gone, everything is gone.
This annual event is steadily becoming a cherished occasion for all of us to grow in the awareness of the tremendous work that our Catholic educational institutions are carrying out in this our state of Goa, and on the other side, to become more deeply conscious of the enormous challenges that lie ahead of us, so that we may constantly re-evaluate our mission and rededicate ourselves to it with increasing enthusiasm. Of course, we take this opportunity also to pat ourselves on the shoulder for the all-important service that we render to the society, and particularly to the future leaders of our nation, as we spend ourselves to educate them for hope and transformation. This mutual appreciation takes a very meaningful and concrete form as we felicitate on this occasion in a special way those employees of the ABE who have completed 30 or more years in the service of education in our state. In fact, this felicitation is the main motive for organizing this annual event. My dear friends, education is indeed one of the best gifts that the Church all over the world, and particularly in India and in our own Goa, is offering to young people for their all-round growth as fully human and social beings, regardless of creed, color, or race.